संस्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतार वरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। आत्मवत् सर्वभूतेषु. Namaskars to all of you. I heard that a group of devotees started Japa Yajna at Mumbai in May 2020 when pandemic 19 had just started, and the group has grown to 4,000 in numbers, and I am happy that so many people are repeating the Lord's name. Those were difficult times. Now also it has become more difficult. Presently, we do not know what is going to happen. The future is uncertain. So many COVID cases, so many people dying. Naturally, fear and anxiety comes to everyone. But we can't help it. We have to stay indoors and spend the time. But this time is very valuable and very important. After all, what is human life? It is nothing but the time from birth to death. So we have to utilize it for the best of our purposes. We have more time since we are staying indoors, and we can invest this time for our own inner development. And all of you understood this and started Japa Yajna. That is the best practice suited for this Kali Yuga Iron Age. And it is the most easy practice. And everyone is eligible. If a person is not able to speak, then also he is eligible for repetition of Lord's name mentally. So this practice can take us to moksha. And it is all done by the mind. It is the mind alone that can bring all development. There is a famous shloka which you have heard, I hope, several times. Mana eva karanam bandha mokshayoho bandhaya vishayasaktam mukyai nirvishayam smritam. Mind alone is responsible for our liberation or bondage. What is liberation? Moksha. It is atyantika dukkha nivritti paramananda prapti. Cessation of all our sorrows and attainment of infinite joy, that is moksha. Bandhaya vishayasaktam. If you are engaged in worldly pursuits, it brings in bondage only. We get more and more entangled and more sorrows will come. Mukyai nirvishayam smritam. Nirvishayam. If you come away from those worldly pursuits, as the only one and goal of our life, then we will be marching towards liberation. So, it all depends on the mind. Sri Ramakrishna says, a person after getting through so many sorrows realizes that worldly pursuits are not good. He gets a guru, the grace of guru is received. Then the God also graces, grace of God is received. But if there is no grace of the mind, then nothing will happen. The grace of the mind is the only thing that is required for our spiritual improvement. So, mana eva karanam bandha mokshayoho. So, best way is japa. Japa yajna. Yajna means sacrifice to the Lord. Why do we offer sacrifice? To please the Lord. Priyatam pundarikaksho arihi. Sarva Yagneshwaro Harihi. Priyatam Pundarikaksha Sarva Yagneshwaro Harihi. Tasmin tushte jagat tushtam prinite prinitam jagat. So, yajna is sacrifice to please the Lord. And japa yajna is by repeating the Lord's name, we are trying to please the Lord. What for? To get moksha, it comes naturally, but much more than that is to attain parama prema, love of God. And that is the aim of japa. But it takes a very, very long time. It's not so easy. There is the covering of so many karmas, karma phala on us, done through many janmas. To undo the covering and to attain the love of God, it takes a long time. But we must remember there are immediate benefits. I hope you have undergone those benefits. The first and the foremost is, if you repeat the Lord's name either mentally or verbally, in whichever way, first thing is, the wavering of the mind stops. Mind becomes calm, first benefit. Second, a sort of peace comes to the mind and you feel a rhythm in it. Next, if you continue the japam, a sort of inner feeling, a feeling of power comes. Yes, I can go through all the odds of life that may come in future. Next, there is papanasha. Sins are washed off. How Sri Ramakrishna gives a beautiful example. If you stand in front of a tree and if you clap loudly, all the birds on the tree will fly away because of that sound. Similarly, there are many papa pakshis, birds of sin, sitting on this tree of body, our own body. If you clap and repeat the Lord's name, then all the birds of sin will fly away. We will become pure. Sri Ramakrishna says that we have to go on repeating the Lord's name in order to remove the sins and also to attain love of God. Prarabdha becomes weak. If the sins go away, prarabdha. What is the prarabdha? It is the karma phala, both good and bad, that we have brought in for this life. There will be some good things that are going to happen. There will be some bad things going to happen. By repeating the Lord's name, the good things will remain as they are, but the bad things that are to come will become diminished, powerless. Only a small part of them will affect us. So, our life becomes smooth. Circumstances will become conducive to our wishes. Further, if we go on repeating, there will be gradual increase of inner happiness. It is for the happiness only man has been striving through ages. Happiness is one strives in the outer pursuits. It is not there. But if a man can invest his time in japa, the happiness for which he was searching throughout the ages will gradually manifest. Whoever takes to japam, he will find inner happiness increasing day by day. So these are the immediate benefits which one can get through japam. Whether you take the name of the Lord willingly or unwillingly, you will have all the benefits. Sri Ramakrishna used to say, if you willingly enter Mother Ganga and take a bath, your sins are washed off. If you are unwilling, somebody pushes you to the river, then also Mother Ganga will wash off your sins. Similarly, if you take the name of the Lord, all your sins are washed off, and the benefits, though they may come lately, will surely enter one's life. Therefore, Lord's name is very, very beneficial, and all of you are doing Japa Yajna, you are certainly getting these benefits. Further, there is one more important thing in this. If a person takes to Japam for the benefit of all, presently we have COVID times and we have a purpose. Sarve santu niramayaha. Let all be free from diseases, all types of diseases. And at this time, it is COVID-19. Let all people, the whole world become free from COVID-19. For our own benefit and for the benefit of removing this sorrow, if a person repeats the Lord's name, certain powerful vibrations are created. It is told in our Shastras that every mind is a part of the universal mind. So every mind is interconnected. If certain powerful vibrations are created in the mind with a purpose, with a will, that gets united to some other mind which is doing the same thing. Similarly, all minds which have similar purpose and similar actions get united, and there a powerful force is created in the atmosphere. And naturally, this force together will bring in desired effects. Therefore, a person may be sitting here and doing japam for the good of the world, and another person sitting somewhere 1,000 kilometers away and doing the same japam. All these will get united, and a powerful force is created in the atmosphere, and it will bring in the results. And I pray to the Lord Sri Ramakrishna to bestow you devotion to his holy feet and make you success, make you attain the highest in spiritual life. I thank you for giving me an opportunity to share some of my ideas with you. I wish you all the success, and I thank especially Sri Shubhankar Mitra, who requested me to speak a few words and share my ideas with you. Thank you. Namaste. Jai Sri Ramakrishna.